Ever tasted biryani where the goat meat is roasted to perfection? This is not your regular biryani, it's pure royalty. Craving something rich, aromatic, and unforgettable? Today, we're making goat roasted mutton biryani, a royal dish full of bold spices, tender meat, and fluffy basmati rice. Let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need. 1 kilogram goat mutton bone in 2 cups basmati rice soaked 30 minutes, 1 cup yogurt, 2 onions sliced, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, whole spices, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon biryani masala, saffron soaked in warm milk, ghee and oil, salt to taste, fresh coriander and mint leaves. First, marinate the mutton. Add yogurt, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric, biryani masala, and salt. Mix well. Cover and let it rest for at least 1 hour or overnight for best results. Now heat the ghee and oil in a large pan. Add whole spices and saute sliced onions until golden. Add the marinated mutton and roast on medium-high heat until it's browned and cooked halfway. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until the oil separates. In a separate pot, boil water with salt and a few whole spices. Add soaked rice and cook until 70% done. Drain the rice and set it aside. In a heavy bottom pot, layer the roasted mutton first, then half the rice. Sprinkle saffron milk, fried onions, mint, and coriander. Repeat the layers, finish with ghee on top. Look at that. Rich, juicy goat meat, long-grain biryani rice, and an aroma that fills the air. Serve hot with raita or salad. If you loved this recipe, give it a like and subscribe for more delicious dishes. Comment below if you want more biryani variations. Happy cooking!